Yo, good morning, GMG. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday morning. It is Lotto Friday in the market. For those of you getting up and getting ready to go to work, or if you're already at work, I hope you guys enjoy your Friday. It seems like it's going to be a beautiful day outside, so get that money and enjoy your day. For those of you who are going to stick with us in the market and try to get some trades done today, it's going to be a pretty hectic morning. Got a couple of news events or numbers coming out. 8:30 here we have, so just in about 10 minutes we have some retail sales numbers coming out. We have Fed Bostic talking at 8:45. Matter of fact, while I go over these, I'll show you guys. I'm right here, just reading them right off my notebook. But here we go. Look, so we have retail sales month over month coming out 8:30 a.m. As you guys can see, that's high priority, so it's supposed to signify like pretty much the impact it's gonna have in the market, right? So high there. A couple of mediums here. I kind of just focus on the highs. We do have a medium here, Fed Bostic, on some other shit there. But right here at 10 a.m. we have Michigan Consumer Sentiment Prel. No idea what that means. Big deal. I'll do a little bit of more research into this this morning just to see what numbers we want to be looking for when this comes out. All right. But yeah, so pretty hectic morning in the stock market in terms of news. So yeah, be careful trading today just based off of that, or at least trading this morning. All right. And yeah, with that being said, let's get right into it. Right, you guys know where we start. We've got ES up, and we have it up on the daily. All right, and what's the first thing we're looking for here? Well, what's today's day gonna be looking like? Are we on a inside day? Do we have an outside day? Are we two up or two down? Well, we could very clearly see that we're just barely two up, right? So we did get the two up, but it looks like it's not doing too well right now. But that's all we wanted to note, right? Two up, okay? Another thing we want to peek at here on the daily is that we can't just ignore this massive reversal candle right here, okay? The sellers pushed the price all the way down. I do believe I mentioned in yesterday's video we wanted to. Oh, hold on. That one snuck up on me. Excuse me. So yeah, we explained in yesterday's video that this we just kind of we wanted to hold above this level, and we did. We failed it just a little bit. We broke it a little bit, but we came back up, and buyers stepped in. They stepped in hard. That's what this long wick is telling us right here. Yes, this is more so an indecision candle, right? Doji kind of closed, open in the same spot. Excuse me, guys. But we can clearly see that all this selling was bought out, right? The buyers pushed this all the way back up. Bigger wick to the bottom. This signifies strength. All right. Now we have it on just about average volume, and this line right here is my average volume for the last 50 days. So this candle was formed on just about average volume in the last, the last 50 days is the average volume. I do believe I have another sneeze coming up. Give me 1 second. All right. For anyone who knows me, man, I am. Once one comes, it's 3, 4, 7, 9 sneezes. Who knows? So I'm gonna try to get through this before I sneeze up a storm over here. All right. So that's another thing. That's the other thing we want to look at on the daily, right? We have a massive reversal candle here, and also we are at our support churned resistance 3810. All right. We were watching this number as a strong support on our way up and on our way down, right? We wanted to bounce off this. As you can see, it was resistance here. It played a little bit of support, here and there, here, there. We just know that the level's one that we just want to keep an eye on. All right. If you guys hold on, when we go into the smaller time frames, you'll see. But let me see if there's anything else here we could talk about. Yeah, no, not really. So that's it. We've got the two up. We can't ignore the giant reversal candle here, right? We've got a nice candle there. Now we do know that with all the news coming out this morning, that's that's why I brought that up, right? Because whenever I look at the chart, I can kind of just do some TA and kind of try to gauge where the market's gonna go for the day, or just what we do every morning. But with news coming out and this much,
I've got 4 events just written down right now. The market's gonna do whatever it's gonna do based on that news. So, but for now, this is looking good. This is looking, I'd say, bullish, right? A lot of selling, buyer stepped in, nice reversal candle. Let's just see what we get today. All right. So now let's drop down to our 30-minute. And real quick before I switch my lines over, I just wanted you guys to see just how well of a resistance this 3810 is playing, right? All night last night. You know what I'm saying? We tapped it here, came back. These aren't necessarily touching it, but they're close enough. Came back down. These again close enough. Came close enough right here. So this 3810 is playing a pretty strong resistance right now, so that's what I wanted to show you guys there on the smaller time frame. Right now, let's switch this from default to our pre-market levels, and let's get into looking at what are some of the possibilities for today. All right, I just gotta wipe my nose real quick. Let me see if I could. All right, so what do we have for our pre-market level? So first thing we want to notice, or first thing we want to look at, right, is where are we at right now in relationship to the yesterday's range, right? So we know that my blue lines will be the yesterday's high up here, previous trading session high, and then the bottom blue line is my previous trading session low. So in comparison to this range right here, we are now back in that range, but earlier when I did this, we were just above it. So this is leaning bullish. Nevertheless, right? If it were bearish, then we'd be down here near the previous trading session low, and we're not. We're up here. So this is a little bullish here. We have our overnight levels. We seem to be just about the middle of that range, right? Here's our overnight high, the orange lines. Overnight low is this orange line down here. So we're just right in between that. So far it's looking like a pretty balanced open, I'd say. I mean, obviously bulls are more in, but we have the overnight. We're just in between the overnight. So we'll see. Again, all that news coming out just in 5 more minutes. We're gonna have some news, and then 8:45, 9:15, 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So news all morning. So that may just affect how this price moves just a little too much to where the levels aren't even gonna matter. You know what I mean? But we'll see. All right. So what are some of the possibilities for today, or what are some of the things that I'll be watching for today? Well, again, with the news literally in 4 minutes, and then again at 45, and then at 9:15, all of which are pre-market. I'm just going to be watching where we sit after all that comes out. You know what I'm saying? Where are we at 9:30? Where are we gonna open? Right at this point, I don't even have an idea where we're gonna open. So I'll definitely come back and do a little more of this evaluation around 9:15, 9:20, right before the market opens. But for now, since the overall sentiment, I'd say, is bullish, and I mean just on this intraday chart, right? I don't want to say like we're bullish overall when you guys can clearly see that on the daily. That may not be the case, right? We're on the middle of a down. We're pushing down with a nice little reversal here, but this is by no means bullish. All right, it could be a sign of bullish reversal, but we are not currently bullish. All right, but based on yesterday's session, right, price coming down here and then getting pushed all the way up, in the overnight session pretty much accepting the price up here. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody during the overnight session decided to push this down or anything like that. This kind of just went sideways. We created the overnight high, overnight low. We sat in the range after that. Really probably a balanced open right here, or bullish. Just going from yesterday's run up. Anyone who bought calls or anything like right here, just expecting this run up to continue or whatever, when the market opens, they're not going to be either hella up or hella down. So there isn't going to be a massive push up or push down. At least I don't think so. And again, all the news might just change that. Might not do anything. Who knows? I'll be watching though. We'll probably catch the 8:30 right here. I'm almost done with the video, but we'll probably catch the 8:30. I'll definitely make it long enough to catch that. All right. Another possibility, of course, would be if we just consolidate our day. So hold on, let me just get straight down to the possibilities we could have and how we would play them today. After all the news comes out this morning, let's say we still somehow are like somewhere around here. Um, I would watch if we I'd watch to cross the. See, this is kind of hard, right? Because like if we open right here, then clearly at this point I'm watching to see if we can come back up, cross above previous trading session high, see how we react up here, blah blah blah, right? But if we open right here, I might, it all depends on where we open, right? Like I told you guys in previous videos, we want to see how price reacts at the levels that we have down, right? So as you can see, price is reacting to this previous trading session high as a right, like just from here to here, that level is support, right? And that's what we would know if this was a live trading session, that if we got a nice beefy green candle come up off of support, then we would have an opportunity to go long. That is how we would watch these levels once the market's open. Any cross below the overnight low, we want to see if price gets accepted down there. If you see some kind of reversal down here and it starts to go back up, you have a potential long play there. So I mean, at the end of the day, I really don't know what I'll be watching at 9:30 because I don't know where we're gonna open. I don't even know what all this news coming out is going to what it's going to do to our pre-market levels, right? So what I would say, my advice would be very patient till honestly after 10:30 or something. Might even wait till afternoon session before I get into any trades, right? Because there's just so much going on in the morning, so much that can manipulate, so much that can move the market. You know what I'm saying? We could have a bullish trend and certain news come out and boom, drop. You know what I'm saying? So as much as technical analysis as we can do with that much news coming out, we never truly know, and therefore the risk is higher, and we want to take trades where risk is low. So if my advice, the way I'm gonna play this, actually, like the way I'm gonna do this, is I'm gonna wait till about 10:30. I may not even trade in the morning because I don't even like to trade after like 11. So who knows? We'll see. I'll be watching, and I'll definitely be posting in the Discord what's going on and what the plan is. All right. So if you don't follow me on Discord, and you want to go ahead and follow along with what we're doing throughout the rest of the day after you've watched this video, go ahead, man. Discord's free. I don't ask for anything. You ain't even got to talk in there, man. Just join up, chill in there, and learn to make some money. All right. But with all that being said, I think I'm gonna let you guys go here because, like I said, unfortunately, I don't have let's say quote unquote plan, right? Because technically, my plan right now is to wait for all this news to come out in the morning. We have some in 15 minutes. We have another one at 9:15, right? So I'm gonna wait for all that to come out and then just right at open, just see how we react to everything, right? So that is the plan this morning. We have our levels up. We're gonna try to play everything accordingly, and I'll be posting in the Discord letting you guys know. So like I said, if you're not in there, I joined that up so you can follow along, right? Ask questions, learn, talk to each other, talk to me, talk to no one, but get in there and learn and get some money, all right? With all that done, I believe it's a good time to end the video here. Yesterday I did play a nice little song for my boys 216 Killers, man. I'm gonna go ahead and play another song at the end of this video. So that just about does it for our technical analysis for ES. Overall, we don't have much of a idea what's going to happen. We're waiting on the news to come out. This news at 8:30, as you guys can see, came out. There was a little bit of movement, but this isn't crazy. If I show you guys right here, look, this was 8:30 news on the 13th, so on Wednesday. The news came out at 8:30, right? So here's 8 o'clock. It runs up, 8:30 hits, massive drop, right? This is why I just don't trade during news, right? The market was looking very consolidated. You know what I'm saying? We had a drop right here. It was kind of moving up. I could have done all the technical analysis right here, and then pre-market just said, you know what, fuck your technical analysis. Boom, we're down here. So we're just gonna be patient right now, and I will be
revisiting my analysis probably around 9:15, 9:20, even though there is news at 9:15 as well. So industrial production news or whatever. So again, we'll just have to be watching, right? Anyways, TA's done. All that's done. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram or aren't in my Discord, go ahead and hop into Discord. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Actually, I don't really care about the Instagram, because that I would just tell you to follow the Discord through the Instagram. But yeah, man, join the Discord, man. That's why I post all day. I want to interact with you guys. I want to talk to people that are like-minded. I want to talk to people who want to get to this, want to get through this trading stuff, want to learn how to trade, and want to make some money doing this. All right, so get in there and hit me up. Don't hit me up. Just get in there and learn, what have you. Let's see what song. Hey, we'll play Vibes, all right? So this song is called. Oh wait, I don't want to play the remix of that. Right there. All right, y'all, man. Take it easy. Enjoy y'all weekends. If you trade today, man, I hope you guys have a green day. Make that bank. And if you have red, man, shake that shit off. We'll get it back Monday. Don't let that shit hurt you too much, all right? Enjoy y'all weekends. And I'll see y'all guys Monday. Peace. It's hard just to see what I see in my dreams. It's hard, but it's who I'm meant to be. I swear to God, I almost took my own life a couple of thousand at times. I didn't cry, I just hate being alive. If you take a look in my eyes, you can see nothing but fire. Why do you think I get high? I needed something to cope with my life. I needed something cause the way it's going, it's feeling like 25 to life. And I ain't got the time, so fucking take my life. I ain't got nothing to lose, I ain't got nothing to prove. What in the fuck am I doing? Hands on the trigger, just pull it. Fucking just bite on the bullet. I got no time for this bullshit. I ain't so tired of losing. I love you, good night, it's yours truly. If these were the last words you hear from me now, just know I wish I wasn't me. If these were the last words you hear from me now, just know I wish I wasn't me. Sometimes I wish I didn't see what I've seen. Sometimes I wish I wasn't me. It's hard just to see what I see in my dreams. It's hard, but it's who I'm meant to be. Sometimes I wish I didn't see what I've seen. Sometimes I wish I wasn't me. It's hard just to see what I see in my dreams. It's hard, but it's who I'm meant to be. I told you I love you, said I would never put no one above you, and I never lie, but lately I feel like die. Pain hurt deep inside, she wanna leave my side, I don't know why, I always let shit slide. We supposed to ride or die, but I'd rather die than to see shawty break down and cry about something that she heard outside. Through the fire, I've been right by, ain't think that a nigga wouldn't try. If it mean you be my rider, so long as you be my fire, yeah. These were the last words you hear from me now. Just know I wish I wasn't me. If these were the last words you hear from me now, just know I wish I wasn't me. Sometimes I wish I didn't see what I've seen. Sometimes I wish I wasn't me. It's hard just to see what I see in my dreams. It's hard, but it's who I'm meant to be. Sometimes I wish I didn't see what I've seen. Sometimes I wish I wasn't me. It's hard just to see what I see in my dreams. It's hard, but it's who I'm meant to be. Alright, man, I hope you guys like that, man. I didn't even want to come back in the mic. I wasn't even supposed to come back in the mic, man, but that shit was a banger. Hope you guys like that shit, man. Hit me up in the comments, let me know, man. I'm going to be playing some of their music at the end of almost every video. Them niggas fine. They need to be out there, man. So, with all that, man, y'all have a good one. Peace.